Hello again, everybody. Drew Johnson here, East Region Grain Origination Manager with Agtegra, with the weekly market update. The corn market got a boost midweek on strong demand with U.S. exports and ethanol opportunities. The export sales report showed 55 million bushels of old crop committed, with total commitments up 8.9 million bushels, higher than this time last year. Going forward, traders seem to be more focused on U.S. weather, drought conditions, and planting progress. It is also to note that the Buenos Aires Grain Exchange forecasted a new production estimate for Argentinian corn at 61 million metric tons versus the 57 million metric tons last predicted. Currently, the USDA is predicting Argentina corn production at 52 million metric tons. May corn is continuing to hold support at 440 futures with resistance basically at 450. December corn holding support at 470 with resistance at 480. The soybean market continues to trade sideways and has so for a month. The support is coming from strong soy oil futures and soy meal futures and record U.S. crush numbers, but is also being held in check as we round out the week on lower crude prices, along with record estimated production out of South America and managed money funds still sitting long. March U.S. soy crush numbers showed a record of 226.2 million bushels used, which did fall below expectations, but was up 16% versus last year's March numbers and up 8.8% total year over year. U.S. exports showed 9.1 million bushels exported, down from last week, but still above the 6.6 million needed per week to meet USDA predictions. May support is at 1150 futures with resistance around 1180. November support is at 1140 futures with resistance at 1160. And now on to the wheats. The wheat markets have rebounded significantly this week over concerns of drought conditions in the U.S. wheat belt. There is some precipitation forecasted for the last part of April in those areas that need rain, but the question remains on if it's too late. U.S. Weekly Crop Progress report showed continued deterioration in the winter wheat crop as percentages fell to 34% good to excellent versus 47% this time last year. Kansas City winter wheat May futures is running in the resistance at around 640, with Minneapolis spring wheat May futures running into resistance around 660. Market-based build enrollment for soybeans continues through April 30th. For more information on that program or other pricing opportunities, please contact your local grain marketing specialist. We are here to help. That's what we do.